have we all clicked on those haul video thumbnails and been like, I'm not even going to buy one of these products in this list. Why am I still here? I'm sure we all have been there and done that. And if you too have, then this video is totally meant for you. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vardhini and you're watching another video. This video is going to be an honest version of all those haul videos that you watched on the internet. I'm sure you'll have fun. Keep watching. Okay, so the first product on my list is this top right here. This is what it looks like. It's a crop top. I think it's really beautiful. I absolutely love the sequin detail in the front and the back, and I also love this net down here. This top I got from DLF Emporio. It's a mall that has all these really high-end designer brands, and it's from a brand that I can't even pronounce, so I'll just leave the name in the description box below. So yeah, this is one of those tops. I really love it. Just a second. Sorry, my South Delhi friends are not watching this video right now. Oh, okay. Sorry guys, so I'm back. Yeah, so this top, let's start again. So this top I bought from Sarojini Nagar and it's really beautiful. I got it just for 150 rupees. So fun fact, I went to the market and I was like, Bhaiya ji, how much does this cost? And he said, Madam, 150. I asked my friend what 150 meant and she said 150. And I was like, Bhaiya ji, I don't even carry a note that's less than 500 rupees denomination. So I just gave him that 500. I think it's totally worth it. And when I wear it to the party, I'm obviously going to tell my friends it's from some brand, really high-end brand. And yeah, it's really nice, great for evening parties. You can dress it up, dress it down. And I think it's a steal for 500 bucks totally. And you can wear it with jeans, a pant, a skirt, shorts, anything. And it's also so nice because it allows me to let my flabby stomach out and gives me total freedom because it's a crop top. So I totally love it. Okay, here's top number 2. I got this again from the mall. I don't remember which shop, but I think it's really beautiful. So neon is really in these days. Oh my god, everyone's wearing neon. I think it's perfect for a party, for any occasion or anything like that. It's something you can wear something inside, or you can just wear a bralette, and it's just so perfect. And it's perfect for the summer because it's breezy, and it's perfect for the winter because you can just wear a skivvy inside and wear this on top with a little jeans or a pant. And oh my god, the material is just so nice and so airy, and I think I bought it for around 3,000 and it's totally worth it. Okay, so here's the next top. I honestly don't know why I bought it. I don't even remember where I bought it, but I seriously don't know why I bought it. It must have been around 4-5 years and I have never ever worn this top. I don't understand why would you wear something that would blind the other person in the eye. I don't get this neon trend at all. Also, the holes are so tiny, but you still need to wear something inside, and then you feel hot in the summer, and it's not enough to wear in the winter because you'll end up feeling cold. And I don't think this is something you can wear anywhere, and it's a total waste of money. Please don't buy clothes like these. Okay, so outfit number 3 is a jumpsuit, and I absolutely love jumpsuits. I think they're so casual and dressy at the same time, and you can wear it with some jewelry and some nice makeup, and it just looks like a complete outfit in itself. It's so nice, and this is what the jumpsuit looks like. I got this off Shein and it was around 1,000 bucks, and oh my god, I love the color. It's so maroon and it's so nice, and you can just dress it up, dress it down. You can pair it with some jewelry, you can pair it with a nice pair of shoes, you can pair it with, and I'll go on and on. And then also you can attach a nice belt to it. I think it's really gorgeous, and it's a total steal. Also, I love the sleeves, so it has a cold shoulder, and I think cold shoulder is something that's really in these days, so it's really nice. Okay, and the next outfit is this maroon jumpsuit. Now I ordered it off Shein and I never checked that it has a no return policy, so it does not fit me. My stomach is too big to fit into this, and I don't understand why people keep talking about how you can pair it up with this, pair it up with that, dress it up, dress it down, do this, do that. And also here the material, I'll show you how. Oh my god, it's so nice. The material is so soft, even though there's no technology that's been developed till today that you can feel the dress through your phone screens. Otherwise I'm sure you could have done that also, because that's how much I'll keep talking about how the material is soft. And yeah, I honestly don't understand the concepts of jumpsuits, because you need to remove the entire thing if you need to pee. I don't get it. And then there'll always be a zip at the back, which is completely inaccessible to you. I don't understand why. I don't get the concept of jumpsuits. Okay, and the last item on this haul is this that I'm wearing right here. It's this quad set. I'll insert a picture right here of what I look like wearing it. So I think it's really beautiful. I got this from one of my trips to the US. It's so nice. It's dark blue and white, the stripes, and stripes are just so underrated. Stripes are beautiful. They should be worn all the time. The material is so nice, so soft, and it's sleeveless. I just love sleeveless. It's so gorgeous, and quad sets are so in these days, so I think you should totally get your hands on it. It's really nice. Okay, so the last item on the list is this quad set. I'll insert a picture right here of what it looks like. So I'm wearing this right now because all these hauls have the blogger always wearing one of the things from their haul on them. So yeah, the only reason I love quad sets is not because they're in or in trend or anything like that. It's only because I don't need to stand in front of the cupboard and match my pair of jeans or trousers with the top. It's only because I can pick up the same top and the same bottom and wear it, and it saves a lot of time. And that's the only reason I love quad sets. Otherwise, there's nothing great about them. I think it's just like any other piece of clothing. So I'm not going to spend 10 minutes talking about how the stripes are in line with the stripes in the bottom and the top, and how it's the same color, because that's what quad sets are supposed to be, right? So let's just shorten the video a bit. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and it brought a smile to your face. If it did, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much, and do share this video with your friends and your family. Bye. See you next time.